Welcome back to Innovators. So one issue with cryptocurrencies is most people don't know how to use them or where they can use them. It's one of the missions of Tycoon 69, which offers the possibility of using cryptocurrencies in everyday life in the simplest way. So with me to explain a little bit more about that is the COO of Tycoon 69, Andreas Kusha. So great to have you here.
Thank you, Jane. Thank you so much.
What is the cryptocurrency called exactly and how can it be used?
Our cryptocurrency is called T69, and the idea is very simple. It's a utility token, and our business idea is to have a gift card exchange. The current gift card industry has lots of issues with security and fraud, etc., which can be addressed with bringing it to the blockchain.
Walk me through the process. Let's say I have a gift card from X retailer, and then what do I do next?
You go to the Tycoon X exchange, and on that exchange you will find all the gift cards from various merchants. You change your gift card for another gift card. Let's say you get one from Starbucks, but you would like to have one from Amazon. Then you check if some other user offers an Amazon gift card and you exchange the two of them. And all of that is based on the T69. So the T69 is actually just the method of payment for the trading fees on the exchange.
And the coins are backed by some hard assets too, like real estate.
Currently, we don't work with asset-backed coins. Currently, the T69 is a pure utility token, and it's something that we will be looking into definitely more in the future, because we think that asset-backed coins offer an excellent opportunity for the retail investor to participate in investments or markets, let's say, that they usually are not able to access. That's something we are planning in the future, but right now we are not that far.
Okay, but you did recently buy at least a stake, or did you buy the whole company, a majority of a listed company in Germany, and maybe looking to expand in the US as well, and then perhaps a NASDAQ listing at some point?
That is something we are planning for the future. That's correct. Yes, we will be start trading in Germany towards the end of the year, and that company will be holding various business endeavors which we are planning to tokenize, and our business endeavors which we think will be changing different industries in the future, like the way medical services are provided to the patients, the way real estate will be handled, or investments in real estate. All that is about to change in the future, especially when we see now how the effects of this pandemic have affected the markets, the industry so far.
You're mentioning the tokenization of assets. So how do you think the pandemic might accelerate or delay the adoption of digital currencies?
Something has to change, and I think cryptocurrencies will be at least part of this change in the future. I think cryptocurrency broke down immediately, but it recovered over 150% in last, like, let's say, two months.
Now, on the white paper, there's a couple of things mentioned: fat protocols and thin applications. Can you explain what you mean by those two terms?
The traditional internet, usually the application that is built on the protocol is where you make the most revenue, whereas the protocol itself is not so interesting in an economical way. In the crypto industry, mostly the underlying protocol is what has the most economic value, versus the application built on top of that is not so valuable.
Interesting. Now let's go back to the gift cards, because that's an area that is ripe for disruption, and coupons too. Seems like that's an area that really could use some digital adoption.
Definitely. Coupons work in a similar way to gift cards, and especially with those overhang values, you can transfer them. Let's say you have like small amounts on various gift cards. With our idea, with our exchange, you can transfer them to one merchant you like, and it will be still a useful value for you.
Now,
Quickly.
how can the T69 coin help merchants as well as consumers?
The T69 coin as such is practically just powering the ecosystem, but the ecosystem itself can help the merchants because they have a channel where they can issue gift cards or coupons in a very safe way. And at the same time, we can handle everything for them. Also, the trackability is much better, and that makes them a much more efficient tool to advertise, let's say.
So this will provide data to the merchant for perhaps
Exactly.
okay,
Exactly.
they can run their business, they can use it for marketing, determine
Exactly.
liquidity.
Exactly.
Okay. All right, interesting. Okay, so finally, just how can somebody begin to use the token? Is it global? Just kind of explain first how somebody starts and then what your goals are for the next couple of years.
Right now, it's very simple. You just go to tycoonchain.com, and there you will find our wallets. We have two applications right now, the web version, which is the desktop wallet, and the mobile version. The mobile version is already in the Play Store on Google. It will be soon, hopefully, listed on what is this Apple Shop called? Right now, we're focusing on finishing our base product, our gift card exchange. At the same time, we are developing some other applications, and we are working on tokenizing them. And once everything is put together, we are going for the next level.
Okay. Well, best of luck and thank you. And it's exciting to see all these developments going on in the future. So thank you so much, Andreas, the COO of Tycoon 69 International. Best of luck.
Thank you, Jane.
Thank you. And thank you as well for joining us. We'll be right back.